All across this land, our past is etched in stone. And today, our legacy is crafted for tomorrow by the artisans at Laing Traditional Masonry.
I was a stonemason with Historic Scotland. I did a fellowship for the William Morris Craft Fellowship for the Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings.
With teams of skilled masons working coast to coast, Laing Traditional Masonry repairs, maintains and conserves our built heritage with care and great consideration.
Our consultancy undertake the inspection and repair of historic buildings. They're afforded the time to actually look at the buildings, let the client understand how the building's been built, what material it's been used. This information is passed on to the teams and the teams understand exactly how to repair it. The huge benefit we've got with having a consultancy team in-house. So that's coat 1 and then we've got another 5 coats to go on.
Our traditional skilled masons are world-renowned in mortaring, stone dressing, harling and pointing.
So we have our stabilisation and consolidation of ruins, and this can be on locations like the cliff edges of Dunnottar Castle, where the masons will go in there and consolidate the buildings, make sure they're safe for the visitors to walk around them. From that to the farm cottage, where they're looking for a traditional lime harl to get put back on it to protect it from the weathers, whether it's a military barracks where it's exposed. They need the protective mortars on them, which is decorative. That maintains the building for as long as possible. Our conservators are there with their fine syringes, injecting paraloid chemicals into the stonework. They're there doing the fine, intricate mortar repairs, the consolidation, taking that historic fabric artefacts and actually maintaining it and retaining it for as long as possible.
Our craftsmen and women are trained by the best to produce the finest.
Our training academy offers 21st century training to our modern apprentices and sponsored by Historic Scotland. We're taking them from start to finish and we're giving them ownership.
We invest in the future by learning from the past.
Traditional mixes have been handed down from generation to generation, which was lost when modern cement mortars came in place, and now we're trying to regenerate that and revive that mortars back. We now have a great understanding on the processes for the manufacturing to the application. Safety has always got to be first priority. We make sure our sites are safe, we make sure our operatives are well trained, they've got their certificates for the construction skills. We've got our own traditional in-house material store where we sell to our teams, but also external. That might be builders, other contractors, or it might be the homeowner that's interested in actually repairing their own building. And we've got our in-house team that can actually teach them to do that work as well on site. I like to get involved. I do like to take ownership, but I also like to give them ownership. I'm there as a quality control. I'm there walking about, being able to take a back step and give advice.
Good afternoon, Laing Traditional Masonry. Is Ashley Taylor?
Our staff are our biggest assets. Our customers are saying, Stephen, we're delighted. This is vital for LTM.
No matter how complex, how remote, how young or old, Laing Traditional Masonry provides a bedrock of quality, a continuity of tradition and excellence in an age of change.